The highly anticipated Huawei Mate 70 series is just around the corner, and this time, Huawei is ready to bring a significant change to its design language. If you thought the Mate 60 series was groundbreaking, you're in for a surprise with what's coming next. Let's dive into the latest leaks and rumors about the Huawei Mate 70 series and explore how it's set to shake things up. According to a well-known tipster on Weibo Pikachu, two models from the upcoming Huawei Mate 70 lineup are expected to feature a big change in appearance. The most notable shift, a right-angled middle frame design that's going to make these phones stand out from their predecessors. This right-angle frame is a big departure from the previous rounded and seamless frames that Mate devices have featured, especially since the Mate 10 series. What does this new design mean for users? Well, instead of the curved edges that meet seamlessly with the front and back panels, the Mate 70 series is expected to have sharp 90-degree edges, giving it a more flat and angular look. This will be a major change from the smooth, curved design Huawei users have been accustomed to over the years. Now let's talk about the display. These two new Mate 70 models are expected to sport slightly curved large screens with a 1.5K resolution. To put it into perspective, last year's Mate 60 and Mate 60 Pro featured screens measuring 6.69 inches and 6.82 inches respectively, with resolutions of 2688 1216 pixels and 2720 1260 pixels. It's safe to assume that the Mate 70 series will offer similar, if not better, screen sizes and resolutions. But that's not all. The new phones are expected to come packed with advanced display technologies like a 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth performance whether you're gaming or scrolling. Additionally, you can expect an OLED panel with 1440 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming and a 300 Hz touch sampling rate, making for a truly immersive display experience. One of the key benefits of this new right-angle frame design is the improvement in grip and overall stability. Huawei has been slowly transitioning away from highly curved edges, a trend that began with the Mate 50 Pro lineup. While curved edges used to be all the rage, they sometimes compromised on comfort and handling. By minimizing the curved edges, Huawei improved the Mate 60 series, making it easier to handle and giving it a cleaner, more modern appearance. Now, with the Mate 70 series, the right-angle frame will reduce the bezels around the screen even further and offer better grip stability. This flat edge design not only enhances the phone's sleek aesthetic, but also offers practical benefits when holding the device in your hand. So why is this design change so significant? For one, it signals a major shift in Huawei's design strategy. Since the Mate 10, Huawei has been known for its curved edge displays, with the Mate 30 Pro being the most prominent example. However, as user preferences have evolved, Huawei has responded by moving away from dramatic waterfall screens. The Mate 70 series represents the next logical step in this evolution. For users who weren't big fans of the curved displays, this new design could be a game changer. The right-angle frame not only looks more modern, but also helps with overall durability and grip, making it a win-win situation for those who value both form and function. While we don't have official confirmation of the Mate 70 series specs just yet, these leaks paint an exciting picture of what's to come. With a major design overhaul and improvements to the display and overall usability, Huawei's Mate 70 series could be one of the most talked about smartphones of the year. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch date, and let us know in the comments what you think of this new design direction. Are you excited about the flat frame, or do you prefer the more traditional curved edges? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest on Huawei's Mate 70 series and more. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Huawei Mate 70 series, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.